Good morning everyone. My name is Yeshwant Pawar. Today's date is 19th March 2022 and today's my topic is linked list in Java. We know that I was made a previous video which is in array list in Java. Array list and linked list are the part of collections and framework. As compared to array list and linked list, these are both the collections of element, but the structures are different. In array list, we are store the continuous type of element or data to create object, but in linked list we have stored the dynamic type of data in to create object. And when we are creating an object, there are three main class we are create. One is node, main class and linked list class. But what is exists in three class? What is node? What is linked list? What is structure of program in linked list? Now we are discussing on that. In linked list, we have contain element or data in a dynamic way. When we are contained in this element and data, the size of memory is continuously increases or decreases, which is depend upon me. When we are contain the element, the size of memory is increases, and when we are leave this element or put this element out of the memory, and the size of memory is decreases. These are main functions of linked list. In linked list, there are three types of linked list type. One is singular, double, and circular. Singular linked list means we are link one element to the another alternately, sequentially. We cannot go backward in singular linked list by using the pointer. And double linked list is we are creating a linked list by using element going to the forward and backward. And circular linked list means the first element and last element are connected to each other in circular manner. This is the type of linked list. What is node? Node is the object. We know that in object we contains some element, some classes, element, variable, and call the object by using main class. There are many methods and many constructor by creating linked list. We are use constructor by creating a linked list. One is linked list and second is linked list contains object. Linked list is the constructor. For example, we can create a class, we can create one object which is node, and how to call them, and constructor we call the object by using linked list ll dot or anything linked list, and put the variable or object variable. And you know that we are use many method to create linked list as same as the array list. Which method we can use in the linked list? For example, linked list is index of, last index of, remove, clone, delete, clear, add. This is the method of linked list when you are creating linked list. What is the add method? How to use add method? When we implement the add method to, and what is and the we can element the particular index particular element, we can use add method. And add method means particular index, but at particular index we can put particular element. This is the function of add method. And in clone method means we can show the copy of our object and linked list class to the another. It means is only work on the basis of copy. This is same work is used to clear method. Clear method is to use when we are clear the all the object and element on the console. This is total about linked list. Thank you.